Hello dear kids, welcome back to letter writing. Today we are going to learn a new letter. Our next letter after letter J is letter K. And K says K. Like C says K, the sound of K is also K. But the pictures are different. So let us see what pictures are there with K. K says K, K kite, K kettle, K kangaroo. Let us repeat. K says K, K kite, K kettle, K kangaroo. And now we are going to do an activity for K and then we'll learn how to write letter K. Okay? So children, this is our activity sheet for letter K. We are going to do coloring in letter K and we are going to make a kite by cutting and pasting. So I have already colored letter K for you and now I am going to make a kite. For that we need craft paper, 2 colored craft papers, a Fevicol and scissors. Now what we are going to do, first we will cut this craft paper into a square shape. Like this will fold into half, then again into half. We will cut it into this square shape like this. So let us cut and see. So this is a square shape, and for the other one also we will cut into, for this we will cut into small square shape. For this small square you can take 2 colors in this and cut it into one big square and one small square like this. Okay, so here we have 2 squares. Now we just have to paste it. For pasting, we will place this into a diamond shape. When this is square, when we turn like this becomes a diamond, and we will paste it like this, or we can paste it up also like this, or we can cut this into a triangle. Take this square and cut this into a triangle like this. And this will become a kite. So kite can go in any direction. We can do it like this. Okay, the kite is going this side. So let us paste it. Put Fevicol and paste it into a diamond shape like this. And this small triangle, we will paste it in the bottom of this diamond like this. This is a kite. Now you have to make a thread. You can do it with the simple marker, or you can take a wool and you can paste it here and paste it on the to make a thread. You can also make it like this. This is a simple kite. I've drawn with the marker. You can also paste a wool here like this, and this way our kite is ready. So this is very simple and very enjoyable. So do make a kite, and now I'm going to teach you the formation of letter K in your copies. So children, before I tell you how to write letter K in your copy, let me tell you the patterns used for letter K. It is very simple. We just need 2 patterns, a standing line and a slant line. Okay, and how we do it? First of all, we'll make one standing line like this, and then from the center of the standing line, we'll take a slant line, one up like this and one down like this, and this becomes letter K. This is very simple. Just have to make a standing line and two slant line. Okay, so now let us see in your copies. Here in your copy, what you will do, I put the dot here on the red line. So first we'll make a standing line touching the purple line. Now you know all the letters start from the red line and stop at the purple line. Now you already know this. So we'll make a standing line like this. Then from the first purple line, ये जो बीच में center में first purple line है, from here make a slant line up on the red line, and from the same place make another slant line down on the purple line like this. This is very simple. You can also make this letter K with help of dot. See how? First make a standing line, then make one dot in front of this dot, and at the end of the standing line you can also make another dot like this. Now you can join with the slant line like this. Okay, so this is very simple. Standing line from the center, from purple line, go up on the red line and go down on the purple line. Just be sure, don't be very close. बिल्कुल डॉट के पास ऐसे नहीं करना, ऐसे. It should not be very close. This will be wrong. And also if you go very far off like this, ऐसे बड़ा सा बना दोगे, then this will also be wrong. Okay, so write neatly. Make a standing line from the purple line, go up and then go down like this. Write letter K, then write letter sequence A to K. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Always say and write, and after writing do read the letters. Okay, so do this work and send me the pictures, and I will tell you the next letter very soon. Thank you. Bye. Take care. Have a great time.